morning friends, namaste, sat shri akal and welcome to my YouTube channel हमसफर राइडर्स। आज संडे राइड निकले हैं जो कि एक बहुत ही प्यारा जगह है, वेडंतांगल बर्ड सेंचुरी, जो कि बहुत दूर दूर से बर्ड माइग्रेट होके आते हैं। तो अभी फरवरी महीना और मार्च महीना के टाइम पे बहुत कम हो जाते हैं क्योंकि एंड ऑफ द सीज़न है उनका माइग्रेट करने का। सो इसलिए एक मौका चांस मिला तो पूरा कॉन्वॉय के साथ, पूरे ग्रुप के साथ हम निकले हैं राइड पे। तो अब वहाँ जाने के बाद देखते हैं क्या क्या दिखने मिलता है, और तब तक रास्ते थोड़ा एंजॉय करो, फिर सीधा वहीं मिलते हैं बर्ड सेंचुरी में। क्या होगा क्या नहीं देखते हैं।
I was lost without any direction. Had a line so many times, but I needed attention. No matter what I say, no matter my regrets, things still been said and done. There's not a part of me that wants to say no. But I have realized I had to let go. Cause something's broken and I'm the reason. It's not that easy knowing you'll do better without me. Without me. Without me. I have tried, yeah, to become better. But I'd lie again if I said it'll last forever. I know I make mistakes, it's just the way I am. That's why you have to know. Yeah, there's not a part of me that wants to say no. But I have realized I had to let go. Cause something's broken and I'm the reason. It's not that easy knowing you'll do better without me. Without me. Without me.
About to leave, already packing. Come with me, I'm not really asking. We'll get away to a place where we don't know. About to see the world in action, what we can be, life with no distractions. We'll get away, this is what we waited for. Take my hand, we'll make it somehow. We can't miss out. I'm done living life with the lights out. Die with my own doubts. Be free with me. Let's go, let's be free with me. Be free. Not looking back, eyes on the freeway, Bonnie and Clyde, a classic cliche. We're on the run, this is what we waited for.